Ciao tutti! My name is Nina and I work with Sounds Good Animation, and today we're gonna do a mini disco song all together. First we're gonna dance and I hope you join with me. And then right after, if you'd like to get to know the dance a little bit more, I'm gonna do it step by step and explain you the different steps. So I hope you're ready. I know that I am.
Come on, it's time for us to have some fun. School's out from me and you for a week or two, and I'm dancing in my room and I'm going out real soon. Gonna go to kids club and I'm gonna dance the night away. It's the best time of our lives. Let's go. Let's have some ice cream in the sun. Poolsides, and then we're ready for the water slides. I'm lost in a fairy tale, wanna be everything. Gonna go to kids club and I'm gonna dance the night away. It's the best time of our lives.
All the kids who feel excited, throw your hands up. All the kids who feel ready to dance, throw your hands up. All the kids who feel excited, throw your hands up.
Hey! Well done guys! Are you ready to learn the different steps of this song? So hey everyone, that was the dance, and if you're sticking around, that means you want to see the dances in a few more steps. And if you decide to sign off now, thank you for watching. A lot of kisses from all of us, but for once, let's get into the dance. There are 3 parts in this song, and I'm going to do them one for one. The first part, we're gonna do the beginning of the song, and it starts quite simple. We're gonna jump to the right and to the left. In total, we're gonna jump 4 times while pushing our hands up or down on the left. So we're gonna jump to the right, up, up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, you got it. If I'm too fast for you, you can always go back and watch again, okay? So after we done that, we're gonna turn to the right, clap our hands, and we're gonna pick up something, throw it on the ground, pick up something, throw it on the ground. Okay? And remember that this is mini disco. You can do however you want. You can be as crazy if you want. You can turn like an airplane, or you can turn very small. And you can change it up as well during the song. Don't worry, it's your party. From here, if we throw everything on the ground, we're gonna repeat it, but this time we're gonna turn to the left. So we go up, up, down, down, up, down, down. Turn around, and throw, grab, and throw on the ground. From here we're gonna swoop our hands and we're gonna push it up again. Also with left, then again to the right, but this time with two hands. Up, up, and to the left also with two hands. Woo, up, up. Okay, well done. That was part 1. Great job, guys. And then we're gonna go to part 2. This is the chorus of the song. I decided to start a little bit early. But after we pushed 2 times on the left one, we're gonna open our legs and we're gonna turn our hands around like we're dancing. And from here sliding 1, 2, and we're gonna kick our leg and salute. We're gonna go into boom boom. How we're gonna do that? We're gonna turn to the right, crossing our arms in front of us, and then 2 jumps to the left, opening them up. So jump, jump. Okay, from here we're gonna take a few steps forward. We're gonna do this, and take a few steps forward. Open with the right, open with the left, and salute. And we're gonna do the same thing but backwards. So I'm gonna go a little bit faster. Boom, boom, boom. Backwards. Open, open, and this time no saluting, but open your arms. And don't forget to march. Okay? Well done, that was part 2. Right now we're gonna go to part 3. And part 3 is rather simple. I'm gonna open up our legs. And this is on the part that's a little bit more rapid. It's the bridge part. And it says put your hands up. First we're gonna go down, however, putting our hands on the knee. Bounce, bounce. I'm gonna do that 4 times. The first time. Putting up our hands and putting them down. I'm gonna do that now 2 or 3 times. You can bounce if you're fast. You can do 3. I like to do 3 to be a little bit more crazy. You can also do 2. So you put down, bounce, 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 up and down, and then directly again up, and then you go slowly down until we jump to part 2 on the feet and salute before you again going boom boom. That was all. Thank you so much for watching, guys. A lot of help for all of you. Stay safe, stay at home, and I hope to see you on the campings, in the hotels, at the resorts, very, very, very soon. A lot of kisses for all of you. Heel erg bedankt. Grazie mille, dankjewel. And see you next time.